Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 5, Day 2. We're going to start by blending sounds to make words. K, look, k, cook, d, wood, pull, st, d, stood, push, t, put, full, k, shook, crook. Okay, everyone. So once again, we are using the book card, and we have two ways to spell double O as in cook, and U as in push. So let's go ahead and make some sounds. You go ahead first. Word, took. Together, good. Word, good. Your turn. Word, foot. Together, put. Word, put. Okay, I'm going to go down here. We'll read the first three together, then we'll take turns. Word, book. Word, push. Word, hook. Your turn. Word, stood. Word, cook. Your turn. Word, wood. I'm going to let you do these last three on your own. Word, shook. Word, pull. Word, foot. Okay, here we go. Look. Change the ol to bu. Book. Change the bu to k. Cook. Change the k to h. Hook. Change the k to d. Hood. Change the to a. Had. Change the d to t. Hat. Change the h to f. Fat. Change the a to foot. Change the to I, fit. Change the f to p, pit. Change the I to put. Okay, and here's our story for today. We'll read the title together. Apples from farm to table. One more time. Apples from farm to table. Okay, so let's look at this for words. Apples. Apples. Ooh, I see good. And this is two instead of Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll read it together. Your turn first. Together. Do you like apples? Apples are a good snack. They're good for you too. Okay, your turn first. There's our Oops. Yeah. Oh, I can't see it. Let me do a different color so we can see it. Ready? Begin. Look inside an apple. Do you see the seeds? The seeds can grow into apple trees. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. There is a new way to grow apples. New apple trees can grow from pieces of old ones. They call this grafting, where you put an old part of a tree into a new part of a tree. Can grow from old parts of a tree. Okay, let's go over here. Your turn first. Ready? Begin. Ready, begin. Every spring, flowers grow on apple trees. When the flowers fall off, apples start to grow. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. The apples grow bigger and bigger. Soon they will be ready to pick. Your turn. Together, most of the time, workers pick the apples. Then they put the apples on trucks. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. That's washed. Ready, begin. The apples get washed and waxed. The wax helps keep them fresh. Do you see how they're really shiny? That's the wax. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. Next, workers pack the apples in boxes. After that's done, trucks take the boxes to stores. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. People who work at the stores take the apples inside. Your turn. Ready, begin. The workers stack the apples so they look pretty. Which one would you buy? Okay, that was a fun story. Oh, whoops, I didn't realize I put this in the middle. Okay, so that's okay. So let's start on put. So put, change the t to sh. Push, change the sh to ul. Pull. Okay, so we're done with that part. That was an interesting story about apples. Now let's talk about endings. So we know ed means it's in the past. ing means it's happening right now. When I have a word like tag, I have to put a double G when I put an ending. I'll tell you why. If I don't, E can jump over one letter, so that would be tagged, but E cannot jump over two. See how it can't jump over that? So this is tagged and tagging. Okay, do you see that? Tagged, tagging. So in order to keep it that short A sound instead of super E, long vowel sound, we have to add double consonants before d, before ed or ing. Okay, so let's look at this. Fit, add the T, fitting, or fitted. Okay. Tap, add the P, tapping, happening right now, or tapped. Clap, add the P, ing, clapping, or clapped. And last one, jog, add your G, jogging, happening right now, or jogged. Okay, let's look at our high frequency words. We'll read them 5 times. After, 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 after. We can play after school. Buy, 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 buy. What did you buy? Done, 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 done. When will the food be done? Every. Every kid got a book. Work, 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 work. This is so much work. Soon, 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 soon. We can go home soon. Okay, last of all, we've been talking about contractions. And remember, a contraction is 2 words put together with an apostrophe to make it a shorter word. So I'm going to read this and you're going to look for the contraction. Mom doesn't eat rice. Give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Doesn't would be my contraction because the O is squished. Doesn't is short for does not. Okay, one more time. Listen for the contraction. They aren't going home together. 3, 2, 1. Aren't would be my contraction. The O is squished, so are not becomes aren't. They aren't going home together. Okay, everyone, I will see you soon. Bye.